Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add text effects on iOS 18 on your iPhone. And this is quite simple, so I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. So right now, if I scroll down on my screen, we want to go to messages, so click on messages. And right now, if you can see, I already sent something like effects like this, where it gets big. But right now, if I say, "Hi, Tommy, how is your day going?" We have the option right here when we can select an effect. So right now, if you can see, if you tap on that, you have a lot of effects that you can use. Now we have an effect that I already did where it makes it big, where it makes it bloom. But now I want to do the explode option. So right now, if I tap on send, we have the option where it explodes. So this is very funny. You can send very nice effects to persons if you want to. So this is exactly how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.